This is a quick video to demonstrate how do we add job cards. Um, I'm logged into grc.ircms.in, which is Garden Reach Quarters Repair Management System. So it is for office use that we need to log in and create the job card. So I click on the login link. The username password is already shared with you. I'm logging in with the SNT credentials. So I have to select SNT as a unit, which is the department that I'm dealing with. We would log in. I'm assuming this is an SSE equivalent uh, from the SNT department, STE who are logging in. So when we click on pending complaints here, I see a list of complaints. There are two complaints which are pending right now, which are urgent in program, and I can see what are the improvements that are also in. So there are no improvements at the moment. The only thing that we have on list is two pending complaints. Now, if you notice here, there's a column called job card issued, which says no. We need to issue a job card to solve the problem. But before we do anything, the first thing that we need to do is to take the attendance. So up above here, the menu, we have the link for attendance. Click on this. So by default, it shows here view attendance details. You can view the detail, but before we get started with our work, the very first thing that we need to do is to add the attendance. So I click on add attendance. This is a duty every day. Without attendance, you cannot issue a job card. Without knowing who's present in the office, we will not be able to create a job card. So this is, I'm taking the attendance for 13th February. By default, everybody is present, and for the sake of this demo, I will keep it as present. So I click on save attendance here, and it says attendance successfully taken. So now that we have taken the attendance, I can go back to my job cards, my complaints to create the job card. So I click on the complaints menu up here at the top, and I see there are, if I click on the pending complaints, I see there are two pending complaints. Now if I want to create a job card, I can click on this link. It will go to a screen where I can assign a job card. So this is the first step. So we have taken the attendance so far on the pending, and then later on the pending complaints, we click on the no link of the job card and we come here. The first thing that we need to do is, there is an option where it says work needs to be executed by department labor or contractor. Now, since we don't have any contractor information yet, so there's department labor. When I select department labor, all the staff who are present in the office today, their list is given. Now, in case if I'm giving any material, which is a mandatory field here, wire or cable issued, I'm just typing something, or I can say no material, or nil as others do. So I can, let's keep it as nil. I'm not issuing a job card right now. So the details of the complaint are all up here. It's very straightforward that way. Now, in case there's an artisan head, if there's a concept of artisan head, you can select whoever is the lead who's actually taking care of this, or it could be nobody. And then I can select with the control button pressed, I can select as many as I want, or with the shift button, I can select all of them, or maybe just one of them. So I can select any number of people, and then clicking on this button, it says book artisans. It actually books the artisan. It creates a job card. After that, I can go to view job cards. Currently there are none, but then once I create it, there will be this printer icon, as you see, towards the rightmost corner. Clicking on that, you can print the job card and uh, sorry, print the job card and you know, issue it further. So once the job card is back again, you go to complaints. The complaint is still pending. We click on the complaint number this time, and way down there, uh, the status which says pending, you change it to completed if the job card came back in a completed state. Fill in the details of the feedback and then you can update. So change the status to completed, fill the details and update the complete. That closes the life cycle of the complaint. Thank you.